everyone, and welcome back to Travel Tip Tuesday with the Travel Mug Podcast. I am Megan, joined as always by my better half, Jen. How are you today?
I am doing well.
Wonderful. So, as we know, packing for a big trip or even one that lasts over a few days away from home can be daunting. It
Mhm.
is a privilege to have the hassle of packing because it means that you get to travel. I realize this, but also not many people love packing, and if you do, well, good for you, I suppose. I'm really happy for you, but I'm not one of those people. Brings with it for me a certain amount of anxiety and also, like the thoughts of what am I going to forget?
Mhm.
Of course, I do up a list and haven't ever really even forgotten very much, but I anticipate bad things apparently. So that's me. Hi. One of those things I like to anticipate personally is something going wrong with my body while I'm away. I know I can't plan for everything, and honestly, I am okay with that. However, I have had different ailments in the past during European trips that have made things less than pleasant, we will say, so I do have a bit of an unfortunate track record. All
Mhm.
of this kind of got me thinking, how can you plan for a semi regular ailment? And can you depend on getting what you need where you're going if you don't take medications with you or precautions in advance?
Mm.
And we are going to the Netherlands actually later this year, and I joined, of course, a travel group. And one of the things that also got me thinking about this is that according to the group, it is quite hard to get basic pharmacy items in drugstores without a prescription, including some really basic pain medications
Yeah.
that are easily accessible just on drugstore shelves here in North America. So, taking your run of the mill meds that you may need, of course, would be key for any destination. But also, I never would have thought like if I needed headache medicine, I couldn't just go in and like grab that off the shelf.
Mhm.
Also, for a trip to Iceland, I'm trying to outsmart my body a bit, and I've gotten 2 prescriptions for preventative measures made up of medications that I was able to get prescribed because no one would ever take them for fun. So, doctors are like, "Okay, I realize you're not addicted to this, so we're
Yeah.
gonna give it to you." And I've also purchased a few other things to take that I normally wouldn't, hoping, of course, I don't need any of it. But really, for traveling, peace of mind is half the battle for folks like me with a little bit of anticipatory anxiety. Maybe your body is super cool and chill, so you don't ever have to consider these things. And if that's the case, again, I mean, good for you. If not, it's going to be important to check really, again, is something I never thought of and see what pharmacies offer in places that you're heading. Or if you know your body, what can you take with you regardless to try and have a smooth trip? And for me, it's worth it to think about those things. And again, if you never need them, even better. But if you do, you have it with you. So, Jen, has medications or the availability of basic drugstore items ever crossed your mind when traveling?
Yes. So I am the person. I have Pepto-Bismol pills in my purse all the time, all times. I have ibuprofen in my purse all times. I have a little bag that I travel with that has ibuprofen, Tylenol, and like antifungal cream. All of these things come with me every time because I don't want to have to go out and find them when I need them.
Exactly.
So I just keep a little bag. And, like we said, I can't remember what episode it was, but, you need to buy your diarrhea medication before you go because if you need it right then, and you don't want to be looking for it.
That's exactly right. And what if you can't find any?
Right? No. Just listen to me, people. Get the little dissolvable anti-diarrhea things. You put them in your mouth, they dissolve, and problems go away for the most.
Be prepared. That is right. All right. Well, I like that. And I'm calling it my like Dr. Quinn medicine woman pouch. I've got it pretty much prepared. She's almost good to go.
Perfect.
So we have our fingers crossed, you know?
Yeah. I can't wait to hear when you get back from Iceland how it went.
Yeah, I'll message you from the trip if things go downhill so I can let you know that in advance.
Yeah.
Well, that is it for this week's Travel Chip Tuesday. We hope you enjoyed the show. Maybe give you a little bit of info just to prepare in advance. Again, not doing your research this time, but just packing a little extra for peace of mind, essentially. If you love what we're doing here, we would love for you to leave us a review on Apple or Spotify. We'd love to hear from you too on social media at Travel Mug Podcast. And if you enjoy what we're doing, you could buy us a coffee. We are the Travel Mug Podcast. The link is in the show notes. And learn more about us and our episodes as well at our website, which is beautiful, and you should check it out at travelbugpodcast.com. We wish you safe and healthy travels. Until next time, bye.
Bye.